Why choose GLZON Smart Liquid Filling Machine? 1. High-speed filling. Our machines can fill up to 800 jerrycans per hour, reducing production time and increasing efficiency. 2. Precision filling. Our machines use advanced technology to ensure accurate and consistent filling, minimizing the risk of overfilling or underfilling. 3. Enhanced safety. Our machines feature advanced safety protocols and features to protect your employees and products from harm. 4.100% customizable filling options. Our machines can be adapted to fill a wide range of container sizes and shapes, making them versatile and adaptable to your business needs. 5. Easy to operate. Our machines are designed with an easy-to-use interface, reducing the learning curve for operators and improving user experience. 6. Low maintenance. Our machines are built with high-quality materials, making them easy to maintain and reducing the likelihood of breakdowns and downtime. 7. Versatile. Our machine can fill a wide range of liquids, including chemicals, petrochemicals, agrochemicals, food, household, personal care, pharmaceutical, and more. You can easily adjust the settings to fill different types of liquids without any hassle. 8. Factory price, no middleman. 9. With CE Rose ISO 9001 EMC approved. 10. Super after service, 1. Training 2. Technicians are available 24/7 to provide you with the assistance you need. We offer remote support as well as on-site visits if required. 3. Genuine parts.